Welcome to our full guide on how to play CS2 Workshop Maps on your Samsung Tab S9 FE. Today, we'll explore everything you need to get started in the exciting world of CS2 Workshop Maps. The Samsung Tab S9 FE is an exceptional device for gaming, boasting a powerful processor, high-resolution display, and smooth graphics performance. Let's see how these features enhance your CS2 experience. Now let's dive into the installation process. Follow along as we guide you through downloading and setting up CS2 on your Samsung Tab S9 FE. Once you have installed the game, it's vital to know how to navigate the CS2 interface on your mobile device to make the most of your gameplay. Accessing and downloading workshop maps within CS2 is easy. Let's walk you through the steps to find and enjoy new maps created by the community. To ensure the best gaming experience, let's discuss some tips to optimize the performance of your Samsung Tab S9 FE while playing CS2. Now that you have the workshop maps ready, let's go over how to launch and play them seamlessly. Explore popular workshop maps and community favorites that you won't want to miss out on. These maps are sure to elevate your gaming experience. If you run into any issues while playing CS2 on your device, don't worry. Here are some troubleshooting tips to help you get back in the game. And that wraps up our guide. We hope these tips help you enhance your gaming experience on the Samsung Tab S9 FE. Happy gaming!